Hi everyone, this is Sergi. I am the project manager of Drones for Desert Locust project, and now I'm going to present the online platform where the Locust officers will be able to perform this part of the course, the online part, okay, that they have to perform before the face-to-face course that we will perform in the place. So now I'm going to show you the first screen that they will see. Okay, they have to go to Google and look for formacion.hemav.com. Okay, if they type this, they will find this page where they have to log in. Okay, we will provide all of them a name and a password, and for this video I'm going to use my name and my password. Okay, and click here to log in. So when we arrive to this main page, okay, first of all, just to show you that here we can switch the language. We can put in English, in Francais, and also in Arabic, okay? For this video, I'm going to switch to English, okay? And now you can see everything have changed, okay? In this page, the Locust officers will see the courses where they are able to access. In my case, I have some other courses here, but they only will see these two courses, okay? This is the main course, HP2 Fixed-Wing Drone online course, and this is a second course that only the maintenance manager, okay, will have to perform. This is an advanced course just for the maintenance. For this video, I'm going to show you the main course, okay, this one. If we click, this page appears, okay. This is the page of the course, and here we can see that there are some topics that they will have to review, 4 topics, okay. First of all, a welcome and introduction, also with a link to a video of the project if they want to see this video also. It's in YouTube, okay. They can and also we put here an introduction to the project. Okay, this is a report that we have prepared. Then the topics, there are 4 topics, as I said. The first one is drone pilot basics, theoretical practical instruction for HP2 fixed wing drone, initiation to maintenance. This part of the maintenance will be done by all the Locust officers. And the last part is the flight planning instruction. Okay, is a short topic with some tips to optimize the flights of the drones. Okay, of each topic, as you can see, they will have the main documentation, a main document. Okay, if they click here, the document opens, and they can review the document here. Okay, they can read and work with it, or also they can print if they prefer to work in a paper or something, or so on. What else? When they have reviewed the document, okay, they can do the test. Okay, let's do an example. We click here, test 1, and in this case, I have performed it before, so I will reattempt quiz. We click there, and the test opened. Okay. These are just a short tests to prove that the trainees have read the documentation and they has understood all what they have been working. So this is just an example. I will click without reading the questions. Okay, I will click random answers just to show you how it works, but they can answer all the questions and then finish attempt. Okay, submit all and finish. And then here they can review the questions and check the wrong ones. Okay, in case that they have failed a question, they can review it to know which is the correct answer. Okay, in case that they have failed a lot of answers, they can repeat it. Okay, so finish review, and as I have done, reattempt quiz, and they can start the quiz again. It's just a test for them. Okay, it's to to ensure that they have understood everything, okay? There is one test for each topic. This second topic, there is additional documentation here that I think that will be interesting for all of them. But we will work with all this documentation during the face-to-face course. So I think that this course is an advantage for all the locust offices that if they carry out it, okay. But in case that for any reason they cannot perform this part of the course, we will review all this information during the face-to-face course. So it's not a problem, okay? Or we have another option that is to download all the documents and provide to them only the documents without the test to let them read all of them. And I think that that's all for now. So thank you so much for your time and see you soon.